Hi, I'm Krista Seiden, Analytics Advocate for Google. Welcome to Google Analytics for Power Users. If you've completed our Analytics Academy course, Advanced Google Analytics, and you want to learn expert-level solutions for gaining actionable business insights, this is the course for you. This course leverages your familiarity with features and capabilities of Google Analytics and guides you through how to apply it to top questions you may have about your business data. We'll explore advanced techniques for using Google Analytics to answer questions like, which platforms should you develop for? Which traffic sources bring in your most valuable users? What KPIs should you use for your content site? And how can you drive more product purchases on your site? As you answer these questions, you'll gain experience with concepts and features such as custom reports, channel definitions, custom and calculated metrics, segmentation, and much more. You'll practice your skills with real-world examples using the Google Merchandise Store Analytics account. Continue on to take your skills to the next level by learning all this and more.